I've got my April Scentsy, so if you want to see what's in this month's collection, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit just left the room because it was nibble time. Anytime they go out, they get a nibble. It's how I have potty trained Bandit, and so now even if he doesn't go out and Stardust, my mom's dog, he gets a nibble too. Gotta be fair. And Chloe and Dexter are in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so Scentsy. Well, let's take a look inside. All right, it says next chapter book club. So that is our theme. They have a new coastal line. They always send a little flyer in about what's new there. And first off, we have a bookmark. I didn't even know Scentsy made bookmarks. I wonder if it's scented, but it's a nice bookmark. We have a room scent in Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. I wonder what that smells like. Oh, I like that. Not what I expected. Almost a little sweetness there. Okay, we have something very heavy. Oh, one of their candles. Okay. The candle is in Late Night Novel, so this is new. They've just started doing candles. Big one too. Very pretty. If your last name started with an S, wouldn't that be so nice? This is a little too sandalwoody or something. There's something kind of musky in here that I don't prefer. Okay, the scent profile is described as black cherry, vanilla, and mahogany. So it would be the mahogany that I'm maybe not enjoying, but I would like black cherry and vanilla, so who knows? And the typical price for their candles are $35. And this is a limited release. Then we have two bricks. So the first one says, Pride and Prejudice, a truth universally acknowledged. This says it has notes of English rose, soft peony petals, and rich amber. Okay, I can get behind that. And then we have Cozy Cardigan, and this has the scent note on there, so I don't have to look it up. And that is soft suede, blushing rose, and amber silk. All right, I'm not sure I'm gonna like that. No, not for me. Others might like it, but this one is not for me. A little too musky. Okay, but overall, like a really interesting and different curation. So I like that. I like, I'm always surprised by this. It does look like this is a new line, a limited edition line that they're carrying. So they wanted to kind of debut that in their box so that people can see what it's about, what they like. So I'm excited to be able to do that. But let me know your thoughts. Again, with this box, you never know what you're going to get. You could get cleaning supplies or laundry supplies. You just never know, which is what I really like. I'm always just interested to see what will next month bring. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.